In addition to state-of-the-art product modeling capabilities, Solid Edge delivers efficient tools for pipe and tube routing, a must for many industrial applications. In this demonstration, we'll complete the design of a vapor recovery system. First, we'll place essential information on a 2D piping and instrumentation diagram. All of the pertinent system and component data can be reported with a block table, taking information from both native Solid Edge and imported blocks. The XpresRoute functionality presents different options for manually creating pipe and tube paths. Shortcut keys help to lock onto an axis to ensure straight pipe runs between components. Define length values for each pipe section or lock into key points from other components to quickly create the paths. We can take full control of pipe section lengths by applying dimensions. For example, we want angular control for gravity-fed routes. Once the path is created, standardized pipes and fittings are accessed from the Solid Edge Standard Parts Library. Select the appropriate size and style, and Solid Edge will generate the 3D pipe route. In contrast to the manual XpresRoute procedure, PathXpres functionality automates routing. In modeling a drain tube between these two fittings, PathXpres provides several path options between the selected endpoints. PathXpres also allows definition of a specific distance between a final bend and a fitting in accordance with standards or codes. Tube ends can be independently customized based on attachment conditions. In this case, we'll apply a flanged end. Control over both ends addresses scenarios where each tube end requires different attachment hardware. Extending its routing capabilities, Solid Edge excels in creating flexible hoses. Sketching 3D splines assists in developing the hose path, again making use of orientation locking with shortcut keys and snapping to existing part geometry. Often hoses are purchased according to a specific length. To cater for this in Solid Edge, fixed length curve controls the exact physical length of the path. Watch as we move this condenser component. The flexible tube maintains its length and changes its route to suit. Valuable accuracy for validation. When it's time to prepare for manufacturing, Solid Edge speeds drawing creation. Accurate distributive system drawings usually include the equipment as well as the pipe and tube routing. We want to display important components unobstructed by pipes, so we'll use a predefined search query to quickly locate all of the pipe routes. Then we'll represent the pipe segments by their center lines. Once the model contains the desired visual properties, a simple snapshot can be referenced into the drawing using Solid Edge's Drawing View wizard. Whether the goal is to get top tube offsets quickly or to define the spacing between these pipes and associated equipment, powerful dimensioning tools within Solid Edge Drafting deliver manufacturing details quickly and effectively. We'll represent a single piping section from the vapor recovery assembly on a second drawing sheet. Select one of the assembly's display configurations, and the view is populated with that section's relevant equipment and routing. Final pipe cut length information is highly valuable in determining exactly how much stock to purchase. Solid Edge automates access of design lengths, making them available for placement into a table. Because it's fully dependent on any 3D design changes, this tabular information stays up to date. This intelligent table provides some handy reference back to the assembly, as components highlight in the view as they're selected, and component thumbnails can be quickly referenced. Solid Edge delivers smart and powerful distributive system design and layout functionality to speed your development and manufacturing processes. Solid Edge. Design better.